If I have to eat pizza every day this month, I'm going to need to throw in a few builds that have no rules attached. We're going chicken and waffles for breakfast, since you can literally eat this combo at any time of the day. Starting out with some buttermilk fried chicken in the air fryer, since I'm not setting the fire alarm off with oil and waking up the neighbors this morning. Had to throw out my sourdough pancake batter, so doing this up with Eggos instead. Homemade bacon gravy in the works for the sauce. I'll use some for a different breakfast pizza later this weekend. I've never officially had chicken and waffles, but saw some strawberries in a photo and thought it would pop when I filmed this beast. The rest is cheddar and Mott's blend, then topped with some powdered sugar and hot honey. I don't know why, but I felt this Ninja Turtle beer would be a perfect pair, even though it was like 8 a.m. and I haven't even been outside today. Leave a comment with your favorite dish and I'll try to whip it up by the end of the month.